Hello everyone. We're here today to present a strategic analysis of Daraz Nepal. As you know, Daraz is not just a shopping app. It is the leading digital infrastructure builder in our region. Today we will walk you through how Daraz is navigating the unique challenge of Nepali market to maintain its leadership. Let's start with the context. Nepal is a challenging market. We have difficult geography, a developing road network, and a population that relies heavily on cash. Daraz, which was acquired by the global giant Alibaba in 2018, faced a massive challenge. How do we build e-commerce in a country where logistics and digital payments are still in their infancy? Our presentation analyzes how they solved this using a comprehensive strategy, meaning they don't just build a shop, they build a delivery network and the payment system too. Here is our roadmap for the next 15 minutes. We'll look at their vision, how they enter the market, their operational strategy like supply chain and risk management, and finally our recommendation for future growth. Firstly, let's start with how Daraz was introduced. In 2012, Rocket Internet was launched, which was a fashion retailer in Pakistan. In 2015, Daraz Group was established and was established as a marketplace in Bangladesh. 2016, in 2016, Camu.com was acquired and it was established in Sri Lanka. In 2018, Alibaba acquired the Daraz and launched Daraz Express, which is its logistic partner. And in 2019, Daraz Wallet was launched. In 2020, with the help of Shiano, the logistics technology was transformed, and in 2021, Daraz entered with by acquiring Hungry Naki in Bangladesh. In 2022, we saw new rebranded logo and they launched its uh, South Asia's first distribution center. Now let's dive into the vision and mission statement. Every great strategy starts with a destination. The vision of the Raj is to uplift the communities through the power of commerce, whereas the mission of the Raj is to be a champion of South Asia by serving 50 million customers by 2030. This means their success isn't just about profit, it's about helping local sellers and small business to grow. Now let's dive into market entry strategy. So how did they enter Nepal? They used an acquisition strategy called brownfield investment. Instead of starting from zero, Alibaba bought the existing Daraz company in 2018. Why? Because it is a market like ours. Starting from scratch is too slow. Buying Daraz gave them immediate access to existing data, customer base, and local knowledge. But buying the company wasn't enough. They had to use logistic first strategy. They Before they aggressively marketed products into new cities like Biratnagar or Pokhara, they first built this infrastructure. They set up Daraz Express, that is Dex hops, uh, in these kind of cities. So how did they do their product differentiation? Now let's look at how they stand out from competitors. The biggest problem in Nepal is counterfeit products, that is fake goods. Daraz differentiated itself by launching Daraz Mall. That means if you buy from Daraz Mall, you get 100% guarantee that the product is authentic and original. This created a safe zone for customers who were scared of getting cheated and scammed online. So second one is partnership with local banks. They did partnership with local banks to give different kind of offers to customers which attracted new customers. On the pricing, Daraz uses penetration pricing. During big events, think about the massive 11/11 sale or 10 Dhamaka sale. During this time, they aggregate massive demands, getting thousands of orders in a day. This allows them to negotiate bulk discount from sellers and pass those savings to us, that is, the customers. They also use Smart Alliance. Have you noticed the bank discount 15% off in your pay with Nobel Bank card? This is brilliant strategy. The bank subsidizes the discount because they want people to use their card. Daraz gets his digital payment and the customer gets a lower price. Everyone wins in this situation. So let's dive into the supply chain management. This is their supply chain weapon, Daraz Express. In Nepal, you cannot rely on post office or fragmented couriers for speed. So Daraz built its own logistic company. They handle the pickup, the warehousing, and the final delivery. This vertical integration gives them control. If a package is late, they know exactly where it is. Firstly, Daraz Express is used as first mile. Daraz Express is used to handle all the steps from first mile pickup from sellers to warehousing and last mile delivery. Operating in Nepal come with risks. The first one is political risks. We often have strikes and bundles or changing import rules. Daraz mitigates this by maintaining strong government relationships and keeping decentralized warehouse. So if one road is blocked, they can ship from another hub. The second one is economic risk. Inflation and currency fluctuation. By pushing made in Nepal products, they reduce the reliance on expensive dollars and imported goods. The third one is geographical risks, that is operational risks. Delivering to a mountain village is hard. They manage this by using diverse transports like motorbikes, vans, and sometimes even food delivery. For technological risks like data hacks, they are safe under Alibaba's umbrella, using world-class security system than that a local competitor cannot afford. Now let's dive into the next topic, that is standardization and localization. This is the interesting balance. On the standardization side, they use Alibaba's technology. The app code in Nepal is the same as in Pakistan or Bangladesh. This saves millions in development cost and makes app very stable. But on the localization side, they are very Nepali. They speak our language, that is Nepali. They run campaigns for Dasai and Tihar. They use local influencer. This global approach, global take, local heart is why they are winning in the Nepali market. Next one is partnership and alliance. Taraz doesn't work alone. Their biggest partner is, of course, Alibaba, providing tech and money. But locally, their partnerships with digital wallets like Iseba and Kolti are crucial. These partners allow seamless payments for customers who don't have bank accounts. They also partner with local shops to create Daraz hubs. These are pickup points. If you aren't home during the delivery, you can pick up your package from your local tea shop or grocery store. This solves the last mile delivery problem effectively. Now let's dive into the marketing strategy. The marketing tagline says it all. Kino sabai Daraz mein. Buy everything on Daraz. They position themselves as one-stop solution. Their marketing is heavily digital, using AI to show you ads for things you actually looked out, retargeting you on Facebook or TikTok. Now let's dive into their communication strategies. The first one is cultural sensitivity strategy, a long-term project to highlight the push high-quality Nepali brands, challenging the perception of locally made good are inferior goods. And the second one is shopitainment. They don't just sell; they entertain. Live stream with celebrities like games like Shake Shake. These keep young people opening app every day, and even if they aren't buying it. Now let's dive into their sustainability and corp- corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. Daraz gives back to through Daraz University. This is a free education platform that teaches thousands of entrepreneurs how to do business online. They are focusing on environment by introducing electric vehicles into delivery fleets. Now let's dive into human resource management strategy. The first one is talent management and acquisition. They focus on recruiting and developing specialized talents needed for their e-commerce ecosystem. That is, supply chain managers for Dex, data scientists for Alibaba Tech, investment in management training programs to groom local graduates into high-performing roles. The second one is change management. They facilitate the culture shift from a small local e-commerce company to a high-performance, metrics-driven subsidiary of a global tech giant Alibaba, implementing standardized performance evaluation system to ensure accountability and alignment with group-wide objective. The last is succession planning. Their strategy focus on the long-term localization of leadership, systematic training and handover process to ensure Nepali nationals are prepared to take over senior technical and operational role in the Raj Group. But there is only one recommendation for the Raj Group. It should adjust their commission to encourage new entrepreneurs and business person in to onboard their product into the Raj system because it is currently as high as 16% in most of the products. Conclusion. Daraz Nepal has successfully transformed from a simple website into digital e-commerce. By controlling their supply chain from DEX and leveraging Alibaba's technology, they have built a moat that is very hard to cross. They are not just selling products, they are digitalizing Nepal's economy. So these are the references I used to research on the company that is Daraz. At last, thank you for your time.